And more importantly, this big political battle that we're getting to see, what should one know?
See, already the change is visible on the ground because we have seen that the winds of change have started blowing after abrogation of Article 370. If we look at the Poonch constituency, we saw that there was 72% polling. We looked at the Udhampur constituency, about 68% polling. Then in Srinagar constituency also, it was touching 40. That was far higher than what we had witnessed during the last 3 decades. And here in this constituency, 2019, there was about 34% polling. But this time, the number is expected to be much higher because people have made up their mind that they are going to choose representative of their choice so that who can go inside the parliament, speak for them, become their voice and amplify their voice. That's what actually people have decided. Let me speak to their first-time voters. The place where I'm standing, this is a Jakti camp where actually the members of the displaced Kashmiri Hindu community, they are casting their vote. Let me speak to the first-time voter and find out how excited you are. कितना excited है?
मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ। मैं फर्स्ट टाइम वोट दे रही हूँ इसलिए।
क्यों लगता है इम्पोर्टेंट है आपके लिए?
बिकॉज डेमोक्रेसी का मतलब ही है कि फॉर द पीपल, बाय द पीपल एंड टू द पीपल, और एक वोट की कीमत बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करती है।
कश्मीर कभी गए आप?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं गई हूँ।
ये जो वोट डाल के आपको लगता है कि इस बार आपको कोई ऐसा नुमाइंदा है जो आपको कश्मीर ले जाए?
मुझे लगता नहीं है, क्योंकि जितने भी अभी तक लीडर यहाँ पर खड़े हुए जिनको हम वोट देने वाले हैं, वो तो कभी यहाँ पर आए भी नहीं है हमसे पूछने के लिए भी हमें क्या चाहिए क्या नहीं चाहिए। तो हमें तो इवन पता भी नहीं है कि यहाँ पर खड़ा कौन है, कौन लीडर कौन खड़े हैं, वो आए कभी यहाँ पर।
बट जाना चाहते हैं वापस?
बिल्कुल जाना चाहते हैं, अपना एरिया देखना चाहते हैं, जहाँ पापा थे या मम्मा थे, जहाँ से हम बिलोंग करते हैं।
Look at the plight of the Kashmiri Hindu community because whosoever is in fray, they had never ever been to this place, never asked for the vote, but they are voting because reason is that at the end of the day, it will going to be victory of democracy, and this time also the number is going to be higher. Reason is that's one of the reasons that you must have seen that Pakistan and Pak proxies, they're completely rattled. We saw that just 24 hours back, they tried to target tourists. One of the Sarpanch was also targeted because they were trying to generate fear. But the people say that this is not going to deter us, this is not going to stop us from coming towards the polling booth, and you can see people in large number coming out to this place. They are trying to cast their vote so that they can have the representative of their choice, and there's going to be a difference that they think that the representative is going to make. At the end of the day, political process is really very important. Let me speak to some more people. क्या चाहते हैं, मुद्दे क्या आपके लिए? क्या कश्मीर जाना कितना बड़ा मुद्दा है अभी भी? कश्मीर जाना है। आपके लिए कितना बड़ा मुद्दा है कश्मीर? See, for many of them, going back to Kashmir, going connected with their roots, it was in early 90s because of Pak-sponsored terrorism and extremist radicalism that they had to abandon their huts and home. For the last several decades now, they are putting up in homes away from home and Kashmiri Hindu community. Either they are putting up in Jammu or any other part of India. But this time, their process is not that cumbersome. Earlier, there used to be M-form, but they have now simplified the process. That's also one of the reasons that you must find that lot of excitement and a beeline of people, especially the women, standing here to cast their vote because it's a democracy and they feel whatever way. If we talk about the Baramulla constituency, there are 22 candidates in fray, 18 lakh voters, and this is going to be a triangular contest between the Vice President of National Conference, Omar Abdullah, who is also a former Chief Minister, and then there is Sajjad Lone, there is jail leader, Engineer Rashid. But whatever way the political pendulum is going to swing, but it's going to be a victory of the democracy. As you can see the smile on their faces, people in large number turning at the polling booth to cast their vote, and it's a tight slap on the faces who have been trying to prevent them all these years. This time nobody's talking about security, nobody's talking about the boycott call, no separatist call, and that has further generated confidence. It is because of the policies of the
Pradeep,
government.
although you're drawing very interesting perspective for us, I'd have to interject you there, but thank you very much for getting us those important voices and also telling us about that big battle. Who's going to win? Who's going to cross that finishing line? Only time's going to tell. On that note, we'd have to leave it at that. But